In today's video, we have the Walmart beauty box for fall. Hi, Editing Ann here. Really quick, I always forget to tell you guys, make sure you hype up this video. It really helps. Go to the comment section and it should be right there. If you don't see it first, swipe over and you will see like a little hype button. And the more hypes that I get, the more YouTube will put it in the algorithm and promote this video. So if you could just please hype the video, it's free. Like the video, that helps me out as well. And if you like my content, make sure you subscribe and share my videos. That helps me out as well. Okay, bye. And the scenery is a little bit different. I am actually at the park. I started to do a walk and talk video. If you don't know, I have a vlog channel called Just Ann's World, and we do a whole bunch of different stuff over there. We do shopping vlogs, which after this, I'm getting ready to go food shopping and vlog that. Anyway, I figured let's do something different. I'm already outside. It's beautiful out. Today is Monday when I'm filming, and it's like in the 70s. It's just perfect. And plus, I wanted a different scenery. I was going to sit outside and film, but there's some like little kids outside playing, so I didn't want to, get that.
You just stop talking.
Anyway, this came Friday and today is Monday. You don't know how bad I wanted to open this up. Look, it still has the plastic on. I have not opened it, watched anybody's videos. And I wish I could go back a little bit, but there's so much stuff in here. All right, so this is what it looks like. And this is the cheapest subscription that I get. I do purchase this myself. This is $6.98, $7. And with taxes now, depends on where you live, but altogether for me in Jersey, I pay $7.44, and it gets automatically taken out, and it's every 3 months. So it's a seasonal box, right? So you get fall, what is it, winter, what comes next? Spring and summer. Oh God, I might have to go back to school. So there's different variations you can get. I have variation 15. So we know there's at least 15 variations. Let's open her up and see. And it goes by your profile is your age. That's the only difference. And I used to put like I was 25 so I can get more makeup. But now I notice like you still get basically the same thing. So now I just go by my regular age. All right, again, that's what the box looks like. I just feel so up close and personal. All right, so you get a little pamphlet here. It says Perfect Fall Beauty Haul. Yes. Ew. And then in here tells you, I guess, everything that's in the box. I'd have to look. Used to have a lot of stuff which would tell you what you could get in the box, but it gives you prices for the full size items. So most of these are like sample sizes that you get to try different brands that Walmart carries. So you can get skincare, makeup, what have you, shampoo, stuff like that. But there are times, a lot of times I get at least one full size item. So that's good. It's always worth the $7. Do you know what I mean? Oh, okay. Oh, this is something here I'm going to tell you right now I don't like. I hate getting. And this used to be in the boxes back in like the 2017s and stuff. 2016 is this Milani thing. These foil packets. I haven't seen exactly what this is. I have to look in here because the print is so small. But are you serious? I hate foil packets like this. All right, what you be? This is the Milani primer sachets. Full size will be $13.97. I guess it's a primer. All right, so I guess with the primer, I mean, that is enough to try it. So if you do it, like if you guys can see, so it's filled to about here. So you could try it, or if you just put it right here a few times. All right, I can see that. I thought it was like cream or something like that, but still. All right, so we have that, which I've never tried any prime. I used to love Milani, like their blushes and stuff, but I always forget about Milani, So yeah, I'm glad to get this. It made me think about them again. Okay. The next thing is from Aveeno. This is your daily moisturizing cream. And usually for fall, I always get something from Aveeno. I love Aveeno products, so I am definitely happy to get this. And this is still small. I mean, because like I said, I like the deluxe samples, but again, this is only a $7 subscription, every 3 months. Normal, dry, sensitive skin. Okay, and I love getting serums and moisturizers. I love it, so I'm happy to get this.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I don't see this on here. Why not? And since I'm on my phone, I'm not home, I don't have my other phone, I can't look it up to tell you what a full-size price is, but I'm happy to get this. Because I'm looking, since I'm in the sunlight, and it's like filled up to here. So it's enough to try it definitely a few times to see the consistency, all of that. I usually try it out and tell you guys, but since I'm outside, oh no, I dropped it and it went into like that little air. Can I get it? I think I got it. Like where the seatbelt is, that little opening right there. Oh, I got it. But I'm outside and all of that. Even though I have hand sanitizer and all that, I can't properly wash my hand. I don't know. So anyway, but that is that. Okay. This, I am so excited. Oh, that was such an ugly face. Oh my God. Look at this. And this is the size samples I like. So this is why I seen this in here. That's why I was like, okay, I'm not complaining because look what's here. This is the EOS 24-hour hydration lotion. Now, let me tell you about this brand. I only knew about this brand that would have like the chapsticks and stuff like that, right? Which, or the like lip balms or what have you. And I like the EOS. And I don't have TikTok. So my daughter, she was like, Mommy, get the something. I forget that everybody was getting lotion. I don't know what it was. And the Walmart that I go to the smaller one. So I would never see it. And she's like, Mom, you got to go to the big one. And she might even have it in here. Yeah, look, see? Hold on. Here is the full size. And I really like it. And oh my God, this is just about empty. I really like this. This is in pink champagne. It smells amazing. And I highly recommend this. How funny is that? This is just fresh and cozy. Let me see if it might be safety sealed. Yeah, so I don't want to open it and smell it. But if you have not tried these, definitely try it. I'm telling you, it's really worth it. I literally almost cut myself. I forgot I had my knife on my lap. Okay, so full size would be $9.97. That's not bad, $10. Okay, what else we got? Then we have, oh, there's something here I'm going to tell you that I usually get and I look forward to, but I don't see it this month. This is from Eva NYC. I think that's what it says. I'll have to, let me look in the pamphlet. But it's a dry shampoo, which I love dry shampoos. You guys know that. Yeah, Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. Full size will be $13.97. Now, here's the only thing that I have to test it because I have very dark hair. And sometimes, depending on the brands, leaves a white cast. So, you know, it makes you look like you have dandruff or something like that. So let's see. Oh, that smells good. Okay. All right. Oh, that smells really good. I'm going to definitely try this and see if it works because for $14, that's pretty good. Sorry if you guys keep seeing me looking since I'm at the park. I see people walking by and I'm nosy, okay? And it's my ADHD, so I always have to, my mind goes other places. But yeah, and remember, all these brands you can get at Walmart. And if you don't see them at the store, you can buy it at the website or what have you. So, all right. So we have that. The next thing is a mascara. And you know, I'm a hashtag natural lash type of girl. So, like today I have 2 different mascaras on, but I don't know how I feel about it. I know I'm up close and personal. I only have it on the top, not the bottom. So I don't have really any makeup, a very little face makeup on, okay? And I'm sweating because I did some walking, okay? And I'm out of shape. Your girl's out of shape. But like, I don't have any eyeshadow on, anything like that. The only eye makeup I have is just mascara, but I don't know how I'm feeling it because it's like I'm testing it out. I don't know. But anyway, so what do we got? This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Okay, I heard about this. I haven't tried it. I'm going to open it up because I'm going to try it. I always tell you guys, do not open it up because once you open this up, when the oxygen hits it, you only have 3 months to use this up. But because it's a sample and I know I'll use it, I want to see what the wand. And I like this wand. Look at this. It's not the really big wands. The only thing is, I don't like when it goes like that. You see how it moves? I don't like that. I like them when it's stiff, you know? I don't know. My mascara is already hard. Oh, I actually did something to it, didn't it? Look. Okay. All right. I see a little difference, but I'm in the car and I don't have, I'm looking the viewfinder thingy. So, all right. I am happy to get this. And we have a few other things. The next thing is from Adidas. What? I did not know Walmart carried Adidas. This is their perfume called Spark Up. Full size would be $24.98. It says, discover the full Adidas Vibe fragrance collection. 6 mood boosting vegan fragrances and mists designed for all. So I guess Spark Up is one of them. And let's see. Oh, and it's almost filled to the top. Can you guys see? Do you see? It's almost filled. It's like right there. And let's see. It's all right. Oh, it's not bad now. It's I like it. Oh, I do like it. It's not like my holy grail, but I do like it. I would definitely wear this. I like it. Now, we'll have to see how the wearing power is, because, like, I'll let you guys know in the description box or pin a comment with it. Just remind me if I forget, because after this I'm going grocery shopping and everything else, and then I'm going to come home and edit this video and try to get it up for you tonight. So I can let you know how it is, because for how much was it? $24.98 for $25? I would buy this. Yes, I would. Okay, if it like lasts. I'm impressed. Oh my God, this is a good box. All right, and last but not least, we have, oh no, don't drop. I have 3 things of these foil packets that I don't like, but what are you? So this is from OGX, which is a good brand. Argan Oil Morocco. Oh, so I have 2 shampoos and 1 conditioner. I wish it was the other way around. Beggars can't be choosy, but that's only because, you know, guys, I suffer from very thinning hair. You know, this is the fake ponytail. I wear hair fibers, all of that. So I have hardly, like, this for me, this shampoo, this little foil packet. Let's see how much we get. Down to here, right? This will probably last me a month. I'm joking, but it would last me at least a couple times for my hair. Where most people, you probably need 2 of them to do your hair. Do you know what I mean? That's probably why you have 2 shampoos. And then conditioner, I just put like from here down, and then whatever I have left in my hand, I'll do here. So I get why they did it like this. So repair and strength. So that's what we have. I mean, they probably get these for free. That's why I don't like getting foil packets in subscription boxes, because this reminds me back in the day when I first started getting subscription boxes. You know, Target, like Walmart, you know, all of that is all you got was foil packets. That's it. And you just might have got a shampoo. And now at least you get the shampoo and conditioner. And they really stopped it from foil packets. So once in a while, I don't mind. But I'm just saying that's how it used to be for stuff. But, I mean, overall, because of everything else, like, I ain't mad at it. This is a real, and this was only $7. Like, this was a really good box. All right, let's recap really quickly. So we have the 2 shampoos and a conditioner. I really like this. Like I said, it's not my favorite, but for $25, I really like it. It's like very feminine, like fruity, sweet, if you like that. It's not like a musky, like sandalwood. It's like more like fruity, sweet, like that type of stuff. Smells really good. Then we have this. I love this. Tried this. You're gonna like. I'm so happy to get this, and this feels like there's a lot in here, so I'm happy to get this. We have a dry shampoo. Never heard of the brand, hence why I love beauty boxes, because some things I never heard of, and I really found some holy grails. So you know what I mean. So that's why I love beauty subscriptions. So we have the dry shampoo. This primer. I mean, this is free. This is like a throw-in, a fill-in. Do you know what I mean? We have the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Cream and then the Maybelline Mascara. The only thing I'm missing, and maybe they'll send it in the winter box, is the deodorant. How many people know you always get the Degree or Dove deodorant? But I do like it because I carry them in my pocketbook. You know, they're the sample sizes. So I always look forward to that. But yeah, I mean, $7, this is a great box. I definitely recommend this. Let me know if you get the Walmart Beauty Box and what variation did you get. Remember, this is variation, can I talk? This is variation or version, I'm not sure how you say it, 15. Let me know what you got. And are we box twins? All right, guys, that's everything. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Like the video. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting helps with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. I'm starting to go back to old school YouTube. What am I doing with my hands? I've been doing that a lot lately. I don't know. I'm very talkative with my hands. But I did an empties video, all of that already. Let me know. Check that out if you haven't already. And I want to start doing monthly favorites and everything like that. I'm going to bring it back. You'll see. So, and then like my top 5 blushes and bronzers, all that stuff. It's coming. It's definitely coming. And what else? Yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Oh my God, I talk so much and I'm actually thirsty. Oh, those flowers are beautiful. That's why I love fall. Focus, Ann, focus. Bye.